These are 7 that came from a tomato. I actually made a video about it, I think. So, and as you can see, they have the roots already going through the rock wool. La raíz ya pasó por la lana de roca. So the experiment is going to be, I want to see if I can grow these tomatoes in a can and still produce fruits by trimming them, podándolos y todo, y ver si todavía pueden producir fruta for people that don't have a lot of space, you know, a lot of room. So one of them, I'm gonna fill it with the poops, well, the compost poop, the compoop. Okay, this is not finished compost, but it's ready to go compost in my opinion. I'm also gonna post a video from this up here. You can see it. So yellow can compost, green can potting mix with some perlite. Esto es la típica tierra que compras tú para tus maceteros y plantas, y con un poquito de perlita. You can see the difference, here. Oops, potting mix. So this is decomposed, this is not decomposed, this is natural. This is, well, probably natural too, but it's made by a company, I think. Está un poquito de agua para este. These cans have no drainage, so I'm just gonna have to wing it by weight every time you want to water this. These cans are 355 ml. And then I have these 2 bottles. These bottles are 1 liter, I think. 1 litro cada una, so 1000 ml. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Of course, it's gonna be less than 1000 because I'm gonna cut this. Very good. Okay. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, we're good. This is the same method that we've done before, right? We have the lids. We're gonna make a hole on them. 1 hole. Yeah, that's gonna be for drainage. We'll do the same one in the other one. Now we put the lids. Ponemos las tapas ahora. Like that. We could put some pebbles here if we want to help it, just in case, just in there, you know. So now we're gonna have to do this, right? Put these things in here, push them.
Which one's the green one?
Entonces vamos a usar un poco de esta piedrecita, not a lot, but again, this is the poops, what the worms did. Not final stage, but it's a good enough stage for me to use, in my head at least. Not that I'm using it as a shampoo. What I mean to use it, I think is ready to go, huh? I know that you're laughing right now, so I'm very funny. Okay, so that's number 1. It's good.
Okay.
Piece of cardboard. I said, oh my god, this guy is so nasty. Yes, that's me.
Ready? I'm recording.
Yeah, so we move it so we don't show belly. And I'm gonna water this.
So this one's got the regular soil. This one here is the compost.
Yeah. This is the best time lapse I can make, sorry. Now that we have this ready and those ready, we are gonna get the plants ready. So my idea is to have 2 of these plants in the AeroGarden, and I'm probably gonna leave these two tinier plants in the AeroGarden, and I'm gonna use these other 5 here. I hope you can see this close up because it's very close up. See, my camera person knew right away what I needed. See? That's how you do.
Oh, that looks good.
Perfect work. And then the other one you can see there.
Very good.
There. Thank you. And then this, since it's saved, and we're gonna continue growing this in the AeroGarden. We're just gonna. Okay, maybe you can do that. In there. That's good. Okay, that's enough. And that's ready to go in the AeroGarden.
You have 5.
Yeah, we have 5 as you can show. Plants. Where are the plants? There you go. Okay, you have 5 tomato plants. So we need 4, and the 5th, I know what I'm going to do. So maybe you can split them. Lara, the assistant, is going to split them. And leave one in the wall, if you can. You can use a knife if you need to be more precise also, huh? But leave me one in the wall, please.
Okay, ready to go.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
Okay, so the one in the wall
Is here.
is actually be hydroponic. So we have already one there.
What do the clay pebbles do?
Stability, aeration, blocking the light, algae, weed control, you know, because it's not like soil that has bacteria and shit on it. You can take the sock off if you need it, because like, there's a level.
Yeah, I see it. It's probably right near. It's near it. Just, yeah.
A little bit more. Right. In this stage, you can go a little bit more because the roots are just growing.
Okay.
Cuando las raíces están recién creciendo, está bien que el nivel quede un poco más arriba. I don't know if you see it. Because there's no roots yet. Cuando haya raíces, sí, el nivel no puede estar arriba porque tiene que darle oxígeno. But right now, it's okay. Entonces ahora vamos a separar las plantitas.
So do I just carefully get it out?
Yeah.
Well, it's pulling the roots away from the.
Just do the best you can. Or you can even cut it and put it with the same thing if you want, huh?
Oh.
So we're gonna try. Vamos a tratar estos dos de acá, dejando el pedazo de rock wool, which gives more protection and less shock to the roots. and I know that we should have probably done everything the same, but we didn't.
It's okay because these two are the same. Right?
Yeah, but that's pretty important, huh?
Yeah.
Because
I
like
think it's gonna be
we know
happier.
that those in the cans already have the shock of the roots being
Taken out.
taken out. Pasaron por el shock ya de pasar de que las raíces fueron como sacadas de su, no sé, de su casa.
Mm-hmm.
We got compost and soil for tomato plants.
Okay. You done?
Thank you. See you later. Bye. Ciao.